Hello, my name is Caitlin Takahashi, and today we will be going over brand and generic. So my first brand and generic is Lanoxin. So basically, Lanoxin is its generic name is digoxin. Its drug class is cardiac glycoside, primarily used to treat heart failure and certain types of irregular heartbeats. Its mechanism of action, it has two main effects. It strengthens the force of the heart contractions and slows down the heart rate. It's kind of like a coach for the heart, telling it to squeeze harder but less often, which makes each pump more efficient and helps control the rhythm. Common side effects include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, dizziness, and headaches. Important patient counseling points. The drug has a very narrow therapeutic index, meaning the line between helpful dose and toxic dose is very thin. Fun facts, digoxin is one of the oldest cardiovascular medications still used today. It is derived from foxglove plant. My next one is Levox, also known as fluvoxamine. Its drug class is a SSRI, or a selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor. It's primarily used to treat OCD, or obsessive compulsive disorder, and in some cases, social anxiety disorder. Mechanism of action, it increases the level of serotonin, a neurotransmitter in the brain, by preventing its reabsorption or reuptake. Common side effects include nausea, drowsiness, insomnia, headache, and weakness. Important counseling points include that medication may take 4 to 6 weeks or even longer to reach its full effects. Do not stop taking it suddenly, even if you feel better. Fun facts, while it is the same class as drugs like Prozac, fluoxetine, and Luvox. Luvox was one of the first SSRIs to be specifically approved in the US in 1994 for the treatment of OCD rather than depression. Moving forward, the next one I have is Nizoral. Nizoral's brand or generic name is ketoconazole. Its drug class is azole antifungal. It's primarily used as a topical shampoo or cream to treat fungal infections of the skin such as dandruff, tinea, versicolor, and seborrheic dermatitis. Its mechanism of action is it stops fungi from being able to build and maintain their cell membranes, which are essential for their survival. Common side effects include skin irritation, itching, or dryness of the application site. Important patient counseling points. When using the shampoo, lather it to the scalp and leave it in for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing to ensure the medication has time to work. Fun facts. Besides the antifungal properties, the shampoo is sometimes used off-label to help with hair loss, as it can have a mild anti-androgen hormone blocking effect on the scalp. Okay, moving forward, the next one I have is Tegretol. Basically, Tegretol's generic name is carbamazepine. Its drug class is an anticonvulsant. It is primarily used to treat seizures / epilepsy, nerve pain, and as a mood stabilizer for bipolar disorder. Mechanism of action, it works by stabilizing the electrical activity in the brain, slowing down the rapid-fire nerve impulses. Common side effects may include dizziness, drowsiness, nausea, vomiting, and unsteadiness. Important patient counseling points. This medication can interact with many other drugs, including making birth control less effective, and requires regular blood tests to monitor drug levels and check for side effects. Fun facts. Carbamazepine is the World Health Organization's list of essential medicines, highlighting its importance in global health. Now, this is my last one that I have. Basically, Xanax. Where is it? Xanax, or generic name alprazolam, is a benzodiazepine. Its drug class. Primarily, it is used to treat anxiety disorders and panic disorder. Mechanism of action, it enhances the effect of GABA, a natural calming chemical in the brain. Common side effects include drowsiness, dizziness, lightheadedness, and memory problems. Important patient counseling points, avoid drinking alcohol as it could be dangerously increase the medication's sedative effects. This drug can also be habit-informing. Fun facts, alprazolam was first approved in the US in 1981 and quickly became one of the most prescribed and most well-known psychiatric medications. That is all I have for the brand and generic. I hope you enjoyed listening. Thank you.